This is Zach. Zach is a mechanical and electrical engineer at a prominent construction company. Zach is great at his job, but he has a lot of things to juggle. He needs to use two standalone software, which are Mechanical Design Tool and Electrical Design Tool individually, and trying to manage different software providers in one computer is quite the hassle. It can be confusing to say the least. One day, his company's server had failed, and no one could access the network in the office. Unable to get any work done on site, Zach and his coworkers had to work from home. But this could not be at the worst possible time. A project that Zach was working on had to be delivered soon, and this wasn't something he could properly do from home, because bringing his workstation back is not easy due to security reasons. He has printed out the drawings in hard copies and brought them back home, as he has saved before the server broke down. Meaning to say, his work that's saved in his PC are not the latest. Zach had to manually re-amend, scan, and send the drawings to his client. Unfortunately for Zach, this was unacceptable. The client was dissatisfied with the manual drawing because it wasn't precise. And having failed on such an important client, the company had suffered a major loss. But let's rewind the clock. What if Zach used AutoCAD, including specialized toolset instead? With AutoCAD, including specialized toolsets, Zach would have 7 toolsets in one single software. Zach can install and manage both mechanical and electrical tool sets within his PC, and the best part, he does not need to purchase the software separately. And with the integrated web app feature that allows him to access the program from anywhere he needs to, on web and mobile, he can work whenever and wherever, be it on a laptop or tablet. AutoCAD also offers cloud-based storage, allowing Zach to work on, securely view, edit, and save his files, and access them without having to worry about losing them. And most importantly, now Zach does not need to rely on his office's server to get his work done. Using the cloud-based provider, Zach can even continue to collaborate with his coworkers, leaving their workflow efficient and uninterrupted. Now even doing his job from home, Zach can deliver quality and precise designing works. His client is impressed with both his efficiency and professionalism. That's something worth celebrating. AutoCAD, including specialized tool sets, enables you to effectively design better outcomes and make anything. Contact us at Ingram Micro SG Autodesk Inquiry at ingrammircro.com for any inquiries.